So we're now going to our two-bedroom family villa. Это тут двухспальная. Вот это 130-я, 129-я, 128-я. 3 виллы одной категории. So what we do is we convert this into extra beds and we can add one more extra bed. And for additional privacy, aside from the bathrooms located in each bedroom, we also have an extra bathroom here.
Extra bathroom.
Yes.
And second floor? Up floor?
Second floor with the balcony. And here we arrange a private spot.
Private
The guest request.